this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we are back with our first docuseries of learning acrylics in December. I have been so busy with my 12 Days of Christmas and then the Charlie's Advent Calendar. We had to put this on hiatus as well as She Modern Saturday, but we're back. We're going to do hopefully a quick little video. I don't know how quick it'll be. I'm not gonna film every single part of it just to save time. I'm gonna wet my nail a little bit, dab it, because I know it's a little wet, too wet. Shoot. So we're gonna put an overlay on. We're gonna be adding some glitter. The glitter was made by Tammy's Mayonnaise. It is called Ice Princess. When I get time, I will show you. Hope everybody is doing well this month of December. I hope you have checked out my 12 Days of Christmas and my Advent Calendar for Charlie's videos, 24 days of nail art. It was so much fun opening something up different every day and doing one nail with it. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. It was my very first time with an Advent Calendar, so I didn't know what to expect at first, and I thought everything was going to be Christmas related, but it wasn't. So, I don't know if that's normal. I don't know, because like I said, it was my first time. So, have you guys ever done Advent Calendars before? Are they usually all Christmas related items, or is it random? I don't know. I don't know how that goes. So, get myself confused here. This is Ice Princess. Look at that beautiful mix. Tammy sent me this, Tammy's Mayonnaise. Check out her channel. Oh, we got a hair or something in that. We're trying to spread this out all over the nail. This is a beautiful mix. I just love it. Love, love, love. That was just beautiful. Sorry if I was out of frame. So that's what we are going to do on all 5 nails. We will go back and forth. I'm super excited about this manicure. It's been a while since I messed with my acrylics, and I've missed it. I have missed it. One side wants to run a little bit faster than the other. Just trying to help it along. I'm going with another bead. I let this one finish off. Oh, I'm not even in frame, am I? I'm terribly sorry. I'm still over here watching the nail, not paying attention to what I'm doing. I do love this mix. It is really beautiful for this time of the year. Really beautiful. I will be encapsulating these, of course. So I'm going to continue on with the other nails, do the other three. I will encapsulate them. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I do want to put a couple of these on here. Should also set me some snowflakes. My snowflakes are tangled. Whoops, whoops, whoops. I don't think that's gonna stay. Try to let it, get it to stay. Don't know if that'll work, but that's what I'm gonna do. Excuse me. So I am gonna pause. I am going to do the other three nails, and I'll be back. Alrighty, we are back. I have completed the manicure. I have filed, I've buffed, I've encapsulated. I have not top coated yet. I think these turned out really beautiful. I used this beautiful, beautiful mix by Tammy's Manis called Ice Princess. It's just gorgeous. It's a very fine mix, which I love. So now we are going to use Beetles Top It Off and give them a full cure. Love how they do when you top coat them after they've, been filed and buffed, and they just come alive. Just love it. Love, love, love. Love a good top coat. This is not my favorite, but I do love beetles. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all videos once you click the all button on the bell. Go a little backwards there. Click subscribe, click the bell, click all. There we go. Yes, these are beautiful. Look at that compared. They're beautiful. This is a beautiful mix, Tammy. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. We are nearing closer to Christmas. I hope everybody's ready. If you're not, time's a ticking. So now, let me see. These two nails, I'm going to put embellishments on. So this one here. Okay, we're going to pop these in the lamp for a full cure. When they do come out, I'm going to be adding Santa Claus and a present. I think these are super cute. I'm going to be adding them with the Info Nail Glue. I've recently used this, excuse me, on a acrylic manicure, the glue tips on. I didn't have such great luck. I'm not sure what went wrong, but for embellishments and gluing other things on, it works perfect. I do need to find another nail glue for gluing tips. If anybody has any that are great out there for gluing tips on for acrylic nails, leave me a comment down below or DM me on Instagram, just.nailedit. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your experiences are with nail glue. Because I'm in the market for a new one, for sure. For sure. Our manicure is just about done in the lamp. We're going to put our embellishments on it, call the day. What's everybody doing for New Year's? I will be having a Glitter Girls manicure collaboration coming out for New Year's. So stay tuned for that. Look at how beautiful that is. I think that turned out just gorgeous. So let me put the embellishments on. Oh. Go off. And Santa Claus. Smear that glue on. Oh goodness. That's not good. I think I put too much on, so I'm going to hold them here for just a minute. There we go, there's our Santa Claus. And our present. I'll be visiting lots of little girls and boys and bringing them gifts. I've got a couple to open myself on Christmas. Thank you, girls. Thank you, Noi and Mia and Tammy. I appreciate that so much. So here's our finished manicure. I think it turned out really super cute. The glitter mix is just gorgeous. Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. It's just beautiful. I really do. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.